Imagine making over $54,000 in 7 months. How would you feel? Happy, right? In fact, let me know in the comment section of this video. Because you see this lady here, she made $54,000 in 7 months. And the amazing part is she did it all from home. That is to say, she made it remotely. She did not go to any office. Nobody was her boss. She was her own boss. She did it from home. All right. And then the part is, another amazing thing about it is that this business does not require anything to start. She started without any, capital. And she was able to make over $57,000 in 7 months. Now, I noticed that a lot of people mistake ignorance for laziness, and that is the reason for this video. Because from research, I noticed that a lot of people want to actually work online. They want to venture, they want to do online businesses, they want to do things that could earn them money online. But the only thing holding them back is that they don't know what to venture into. They don't know what to engage themselves in to enable them make money online. It's either they've tried something in the past that did not go well, or maybe the ones they've come across require a lot of capital, or they are labor intensive. That is to say, they need to invest a lot of time into it if they want to get something substantial. Okay, and most of these people, maybe they're engaged with their 9 to 5 work and they cannot leave it to start something afresh, which will require them, almost all of their time. So they end up not venturing into any online business at all. That is not to say they are lazy. They just don't know the right business to venture into, and that is the reason for this video, to tell you about a lady that made over $54,000 in 7 months from her home by using just her laptop and a smartphone. And you don't even need to have a laptop. Okay, this business does not require a degree, it does not require capital, it does not require connection. This lady did not have connection when starting this business. Okay, she's a normal person just like you and me. If she could do it, then you too can actually do it. So most people, when they want to venture into making money online, the first thing that comes to their mind is to go to YouTube and type how to make money online. And oftentimes the type of contents they come across are mostly contents that will tell them how to take surveys and earn, play games, listen to music, and stuff that cannot change your life or make you anything reasonable. Okay, now Sewa did something different. Sewa involved herself in a business that has made her over $54,000 in the space of 7 months. And this is not total earning. This is just from one thing she did. Okay, now she started this business with no money, no fancy equipment, and no connection, just like you and me. Okay, now Sewa was like both of us. She had bills to pay, she had stuff to take care of, and she didn't have connections. She was very confused at the beginning, looking for something that she could do once and generate money from it for life. And then she found it, and that's what I'm here to share with you today. So if you want to be like Sewa, if you've been looking for a business which you can do once, you could invest time and make money from that particular business for life, then this is your opportunity to learn from Sewa's story. Of course, it wasn't easy at the beginning. I'm going to play a video where she said she's been in that particular business for over 4 years. Okay, this is to see her first year or 2 years were not as easy as it sounds, right? She needed to learn, relearn, unlearn, kept on showing every day, and she was consistent. And boom, it paid off, right? And she was able to make over $54,000 in 7 months. Now, which business did Sewa utilize? The business we're talking about is YouTube content creation. Yeah, I know you've heard about it a lot of times, but today you're going to be hearing something different. Okay, now most of us think that you need to have some level of influence before you can succeed on YouTube, but I'm here to tell you that that is a lie, because Sewa started with nothing. I mean, she was just like you and me. No influence, no money, no connection. All right, not even fancy equipment. Okay, 4 years ago, Sewa wanted, a business that she could make money from without showing up every day. Okay, then she decided to venture into YouTube content creation. Started creating content, that is creating videos about what she's passionate about. Okay, and posting it on YouTube. Now, She posts videos and there was nobody there to watch. Okay, that was she, like, according to her, she was a very shy person. She's a very shy person. Okay, she didn't even expect or ever thought of showing herself or coming in front of the camera to even say something or impact the lives of people. But she needed to get out of her comfort zone because she wanted to make money, right? So she took up the camera and started creating content, all right, about what she loved and sharing her experience of, some apps she has used, about how people can generate passive income online, and how she has also been using some of the methods. Okay, because she's very passionate about making money online. It wasn't easy, as you can hear her saying. She's been on YouTube for 4 years.
For context, I started my YouTube channel over 4 years ago, and honestly, it hasn't been an easy journey. I'm naturally pretty shy, so sharing myself in front of thousands of people hasn't been easy.
And it hasn't been an easy journey at all. Okay, now it wasn't easy. Trust me, content creation is not for people who are lazy. It's not for people that want quick money. And Sarah knew that she needed to put in the work if she wanted results. So her first year, she posted content. There were times she posted and didn't get views on her videos. But because she was passionate about doing it, she had to continue and show up every day until she got monetized. And even after she got monetized, the money was not really coming that much. But she kept on posting videos because she believed in it, and she had seen results of other people who are making it big time on YouTube. Okay, so now one thing happened. One of her videos went viral and generated over 1.5 million views, as you can see on your screen. And this video did not just generate these views, but the video brought in money, and not just money, and it also added to her influence because it brought over 41,000 subscribers to her channel. And guess how much this video generated? It generated over $54,000. And this video has been on YouTube for about 7 months. Okay, so it generated about $54,000, as you can see on your screen. Imagine someone starting a business, because YouTube is a business, with zero capital, zero influence, zero connection, and this business is able to generate them over $54,000 in 7 months, and it's still going to generate more. Now, just imagine, from this one video, you can imagine how much Sarah is earning on YouTube every month, right? Because this is not our only video. Our video do get 41,000 views on average. Do you understand? That means this is a real business. So when I came across, this story, I was like, if this thing was this simple, then why is everyone, if this thing pays this much, why is everyone not doing YouTube? Then I discovered that a lot of people want quick and easy money. They don't want to put in the work, but they want results. They'll tell you, create content and post. You tell the people, you respond, you are shy, you don't want to create content, yet you want to make money online. The good thing about this YouTube content, business, is that you not only get to monetize in one direction. From that video, Sarah said the amount of money she made, aside monetization, direct YouTube monetization, was more than even that $54,000, because she included her affiliate links, she brand sponsored the video and stuff like that. So YouTube paid her $54,000, and aside that, she made more than even $54,000 from external monetization. So that means she made over $100,000 in total. That is to say, this is a real business. So what are you waiting for? Now let's talk about how to do this step by step. To create your YouTube channel, just go to your YouTube app, right? When you open your app, you look at the bottom part of your screen and you click on your profile where it says you. Click on it. Now you can see I don't have a channel. That's why you see, if you look where it's written Kanje Joseph, you'll see below it, you see create channel. So click on it, and then this is where you create your channel. So you just want to go ahead to input, to set up your profile picture. You put your name and you put your handle. So they are going to pick a handle for you automatically. They'll pick a handle. So you just want to go ahead and customize your name. Put the name you want to use for your channel. Put something that relates to your niche. All right. After that, you save it and you just click on create channel. Now you can use after you're done creating with this YouTube app, you want to go ahead to download YouTube Studio, or display the app on the screen. YouTube Studio, that is where you manage your channel. You see your analytics, everything, how your content is performing, how your channel is doing, and everything. Well, and from there you can also set up what we call a YouTube banner. And to get a YouTube banner, you can use free tools like Canva to download good banners for your YouTube channel. Now guys, after you're done creating your YouTube channel, it is time for you to start uploading content. A pro tip is for you to upload at least one content every week and make sure your content solves a problem. That is, it is super valuable, so it keeps viewers watching. Okay, now once you've gotten 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, you can now apply for monetization, and if you are approved, you can start earning from your videos. All right, but this is what I want you to notice, all right, or to consider. I don't want you to venture into this business solely because of the money. Okay, Sarah did not venture into this business because of the money. She ventured into it because she had passion for what she was doing and she wanted to share her experience. So even when the money was not coming, even when the money, she had not monetized her channel yet, even when she was facing challenges, she kept on showing up every day. So if you're showing up here just because of the money, you might give up too soon, because YouTube or content creation is not a get rich quick scheme. Right, you're going to face so many challenges, but if you're doing it, if you have passion, then that is what is going to keep you, to show up every day. And trust me, there is light at the end of the tunnel. You're definitely going to make money from it. That is if you're consistent. YouTube rewards consistency. It doesn't need you to have a degree, it doesn't need you to have connections or influence. So far as you're consistent and you produce value, trust me, YouTube is going to reward you. If you found value watching this video, please comment something. All right, just tell me thank you, Joseph. Okay, but if you didn't get value, you can as well just move on to the next video. Okay, let me know what you want us to talk about next in a subsequent video, and we'll bring them right to your screens. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.